What is up, YouTube? Today I thought I would share a small recipe with you guys. It's quick and easy, only a few ingredients. Some of the stuff I picked up on Amazon. These are going to be pre and post amino gummies. So if you guys are interested and want to know how I make these, keep watching. I'm gonna start by using this glass measuring cup and measure out a half a cup of water. I like to use Simple Truth distilled water with electrolytes, but you can use just about any water you want. So a minute and 30 seconds, I'm going to heat my water up until it's boiling. Go ahead and empty all 3 gelatin packets into a bowl. Then you're going to grab your amino acids, whether you use Optimum Nutrition or any other type of amino, it's your preference. So go ahead and get 2 scoops and put that into your mixing bowl. So it's nice that you get this little tool. It comes with these gummy bear molds when you purchase those. So I'm going to go ahead and fill up all the molds with all of the liquid. Probably you'll get about 1.5, maybe a little more than that of the molds filled. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to place those into the freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to check and make sure that they're ready and they're not still liquidy. And here is what they look like. Super easy to pop these all out of the mold. Only takes a couple seconds, and here are all the amino gummies. So there you have it. That's the recipe for a super easy amino gummy. So I'm gonna go ahead, take my little bag of gummies and head over to the gym for a quick little back and shoulder exercise. Anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.